How's it going out there? Welcome from H2TechVideos. Today I want to show you how to find free apps on the iPad. I'm not sure if you know, there are tons and tons of free apps available in the App Store. And there's a simple little trick you can use to find free apps. So I'm going to show you a couple different ones right now. And all of it, is going to take place in the App Store. Just knowing where a few things are can make a big difference in finding the free apps opposed to finding a bunch of the paid apps. So let's go to the App Store. Click on the App Store icon, and let's go ahead and go to Featured. Okay, and so let's see. Let's go to What's Hot. So right here, come down the bottom here, what do you see right here? It says Great Free Apps. Go ahead and click on that. And you can see a whole list of apps that are featured that are all free. Okay? So I can go to, well, they're kind of separated in order. There's new and noteworthy, our favorites. That's just a couple right there. And you can actually sort them. Right here it says Sort. And we click on Featured, and we can kind of separate by release dates. We can kind of like find wherever the newest apps are. Let's see. I'm gonna go See All right here. These are 29 just great apps that are free. Okay, and that's just a few right there. But let me show you the other trick. Let's see if we go to go to Top Charts at the bottom. This is another section right here where they'll actually give you what apps are performing the best right now. And right here there's a whole column full of free apps, top free iPad apps. Okay, and there's tons of them. Now it just kind of shows 10. We can click here to show more, and it'll kind of give you more. And as you can see, I have a bunch of these installed already because I'm all about free apps. Okay, bring on the free stuff. You can just keep hitting show more. You can keep kind of going through to see, like, more and more free apps. Okay, you kind of got the idea there, and you just keep going. Now also, let's say if you're looking for a specific app, like let's type in sports. Okay, if you type in sports, it's going to give you a lot of different options of apps. Now, if you notice, 5 of the 6 apps on this page are not free. Okay, so what you want to do is come up here where it says price, and it says all. Click there, then click on free. And what it'll now do is it'll get rid of all the paid apps, and it'll only show you free apps. Okay, so this is a great trick, and literally it's going to show you. Oh, sorry, not there. If you look next to iPad apps here, it says it's going to show you 3,000 different free apps that are all based on what you search, which is sports. And we click on See All, and you can go through just pages and pages of free apps that have to do with sports. So this is, again, just a great way to take advantage of all the free stuff. Don't quote me on this, but from what I heard, there's literally over half of the apps in the App Store are free. Okay, so that's, if there's 500,000 iPad apps, that means 250,000 of those apps are free. So you just have to get out there and search for them. Don't be so quick to buy a paid app. Make sure you've looked through and that there's not a free version that does the same thing you're looking for. Don't be impatient, because you know what? One of the things about apps is you cannot return them if you don't like them. There's a bunch of apps I've downloaded that I've just kind of been stuck with because, you know what, it just isn't that good. But, it is what it is. So, in fact, I want that one. I love background type apps. Well, I'll download that later. But this is just, been a quick little tutorial. 3 different ways to find good free apps in the App Store. So, take advantage. And if you see a paid app that you like, let me give you a quick tip on just how to evaluate if it might be a good purchase or it may not be a good purchase. let's say there's NBA Jam. Okay, so if we just tap on it, you can actually look at the pictures. Every time I'm going to buy an app, I always look at the pictures first to see what the app looks like and see if it even looks worth my time. Sometimes the pictures suck, which kind of tells me the app may suck. So that's the first thing I look at. The second thing I will is I'll come down to the ratings, okay, and kind of see what are people saying about it. Is it getting good ratings? Is it getting bad ratings? This app right here has gotten 143 5 stars, and then it kind of like it varies, a couple 4, a couple 3, a couple 2, a couple 1. But this app like looks pretty good. And then go through and read a couple of the comments. If the first 5 comments are bad, that might tell you something that maybe this isn't a great app that you need to purchase. Okay, so take a couple seconds. I mean, if you can't get the money back after you buy it, like at least make sure this is going to be worth it to invest in. Okay, so this is again just a quick tutorial, free apps. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you bargain shop out there even with your apps, because don't waste money. Only buy an app if it's worth it. All right, don't regret your purchase afterwards. So once again, hope that was helpful. This has been H2TechVideos, free apps or finding free apps on the iPad. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought about the video, and have a good one.